morning, students. Today, in our online classes, we are going to discuss about lesson number 1, sentences. In this video, we will discuss about the basic things of the sentences. First of all, the definition, that what is a sentence. And the definition of the sentence is a combination of words which gives a complete meaning is called a sentence. Or a sentence is the largest unit of any language. In English, it begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. The sentence is generally defined as a word or a group of words that expresses through idea by giving a statement, order, or asking a question or exclaiming. So these are the general definition and characteristics of the sentence. Now, example. He is a good boy. This is a simple sentence and this is a statement. Here something is being declared, that we are talking about he and we are telling that he is a good boy. Second, is he a good boy? This sentence is in form of question because we are asking here something or some question. Next, what a nice weather. This sentence is a exclamatory sentence. Now, normally a sentence requires at least one subject and one verb. Means, to give complete meaning, a sentence requires at least one subject and one verb. But sometimes the subject can be hidden. Means it is not written in the sentence, we do not speak it, but the verb must be visible. But the verb is always visible, it is always present in the sentence. So, verb is called the heart of a sentence because it is every time visible and every time present in the sentence. So, it is known as the heart of the sentence. For example, here one example we are discussing, do it. In this sentence, a subject you is hidden. Here you is not written, but verb do is visible. But the verb do is present in the sentence and the subject you, it is invisible. It is auto understood that you is the subject here. Now again, a sentence is a group of words usually containing a verb that expresses a thought in the form of a statement, question, instruction or exclamation and start with a capital letter when written. So this is a simple definition again. Or in other words, a complete English sentence must have 3 characteristics. There are 3 main characteristics of a sentence. Firstly, in written form, a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a period that is also known as a full stop. A note of interrogation, that is question mark, or a note of exclamation, that is exclamatory mark. So a sentence start with capital letter and it end with a full stop, question mark or exclamatory mark. So this is the first characteristics of a sentence. Second, it must express complete thought, means it gives us a complete meaning, not incomplete. It gives us a complete meaning every time. Third one, it must contain at least one subject. This subject may be visible or it may be invisible sometimes, and also contain one verb that is always visible. So these are the three characteristics of a sentence. Now here some examples of simple examples of the sentence. We go to school every day. Simple sentence. Declarative sentence we can say it is. Second, why are you laughing? This is a interrogative sentence because there is question mark and it is, we are asking some question here.
Starting on the
And third, wow, he just won a gold medal. This is an exclamatory mark, exclamatory sentence because there is exclamatory mark and something is surprising here. Next, please shut the door. This is also an imperative sentence. So these are the definition characteristics of a sentence. And now I am giving you some homework also. You have to check your school app and do the learning and writing work from there. Okay, thank you.